sparking at all, even when I click it in. This one, the engine starts to die, and it's good, and it's dying. So at least one cylinder is off. That cylinder is off. It's the coil pack. It's got it. Ow, dude.